Alright guys, time to do the weekly walkthrough at Home Depot to check out some of the new sales and clearance that they're having. So let's jump into it. Alright, so first thing I see when I walk in, up to 50% off the patio furniture. Seen this at a Lowe's too. So what they got going at Home Depot though is right here's a 30-inch round table, 64 bucks for this one. Not a bad deal. This was $129. And then down here, they had another table. This is the 32-inch ceramic tile coffee table, $99.50. Another 50% off deal here. This was $200. These are both Hampton Bay. Next up, they had some zero gravity chairs, $79. So if you guys check out my Lowe's video, they actually had them cheaper at Lowe's. So if you're looking for the best deal, I'll just plug it in right here. Here's what it was at Lowe's. So $34.97 for their version of the zero gravity chair. And this one has the shade also. So definitely a better deal if you can find this at your Lowe's. All right, so back to Home Depot here. We got a 42-inch slat dining table, $69.50. Nice markdown on this one. They also had the woven coffee table by Hampton Bay. Another huge discount here, $69.50. And then they had over here the 72-inch by 40-inch. This is a pretty big dining table. But they had this one at $244.30, was $349. So this is the farmhouse style. So pretty nice setup here. Brown finish on it. Nice outdoor table if you guys want to eat at. They also had some umbrellas marked down pretty decent amount here. So this is the 11-foot LED offset solar umbrella, $479. This was $600. And these are pretty cool because they have the LED lights built in and they are solar powered, so you don't have to use like batteries and stuff. There's a better look. They had one on display. So it's got the weighted base on it. It's offset, $479. Not a bad pickup. Little discount. I could see those getting a little bit lower in price. Then they had the 8-foot square offset umbrella, and they only had this in a few different colors, but this was a better discount. These were $500 down to $300. They also had a bunch of chairs marked down, a bunch of different colors and styles to choose from. So it was $30 down to $25. They had the blue there, gray. They got some brown. Like I said, multiple different styles also. If you prefer more of a wood style chair, here is the folding wood chair. Was $119 down to $79, also by Hampton Bay. And then here's another pretty good deal, guys. This is the grill gazebo. So this has got the soft top. It's not the hard top, but this one comes in at $150. This was $300, so 50% off on this one. I used to own one of these before I switched to the hard top. For the price though, you can't really beat these. They also had some coolers marked down. So this is the Igloo Playmate 16 quart. This was marked down to $23. This was $30. This cooler's been around for forever. Great for the work site. They also had the Igloo 60 quart here. This is a little bit different style, but this one was $41. Was $54. So a little discount on that one also. And then they also had a Coleman. This one is a 52 quart cooler. So $55 for this. A little bit more expensive than what the Igloo is going for, and a little bit less capacity. And then here's a cooler that's popular with me. I use this for work every day. This is the Evergreen Backpack Cooler, coming in at $46. So this one's 24 can capacity by Igloo. But I use one of these every day for work. Comes in really handy, keeps my food, beverages nice and cold, has a lot of pockets, and easy to carry around. If you guys are looking for a small deck box, they had the 22-gallon by Suncast. Another 50% off. This was $100, marked down to $49. So another good deal there. Then they had some fans on sale. So here is the High Velocity 20-inch fan, $54.98. This is by Commercial Electric. And then next to that, they had a heavy-duty drum fan, also by Commercial Electric. This one was a little bit more expensive, $149 for this one, but this will be a 24-inch. Now, right around the corner, they had a good deal on this Ryobi 18-volt pole saw and chainsaw combo kit. Usually $300. Had this marked down to $159, and this is the kit, so it's going to come with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. But this is pretty nice. I actually own the 8-inch chainsaw. I bought that separately, and I paid $99 just for that. They also had a bunch of Echo outdoor power equipment marked down. So here is the 18-inch chainsaw. This is the kit, $219 for this one. And this comes with a 5 amp hour battery and the charger. I'm actually thinking about going back and picking this one up. They also had the trimmer and blower combo kit down to $249. Next to that, they had the 16-inch string trimmer kit down to $169. These are all 56 volt, in case you didn't know. And this kit's going to come with a 2.5 amp hour battery and the charger. So another really nice deal on this one, bringing it down from $229. There's a look at it there. Echo makes some really good outdoor power equipment. They also had a deal on the hedge trimmer kit. This is a 22-inch, $279 it was, down to $189. Then they had another chainsaw kit. This is a 12-inch kit, 2.5 amp hour battery, down to $369. Now, if you still prefer gas when it comes to chainsaw, they did have a deal on an 18-inch gas chainsaw. This was $369. They had this marked down a few bucks off, down to $333. This is the CS400. They also had a deal on a Ryobi electric pressure washer. This is the 3000 PSI. Was $449 down to $329. So this is their brushless version. So pretty nice. For Milwaukee Outdoor Power Equipment, they still had to buy more, save more up here. They had this for a while, but they did drop the price of the blower and trimmer combo. It was $449 down to $349. And then they had some other deals going on for the M12. So here's the M12 Fuel Hatchet 6-inch pruning saw kit. If you buy that, you get one of these tools for free, up to a $149 value. And then they had some new lower prices on the hedge trimmer kit and then the pruning shears kit. They also had some deals going on for commercial electric hand tools. Nice discount on the 8-inch long nose pliers there. And then they also had up top for $18.04 the linesman wire cutters. These were the 9-inch ones. Kind of curious, you guys that are electricians or maybe DIYers that do a lot of electrical work, what do you think about the commercial electric brand of tools? Love to hear your opinions in the comment section below. Next up, we had a little clearance rack here. Down below, they had some Ryobi link system. This is the 2 and 3 drawer setup for $99. Then up top here, they had the pack out. This is the Shockwave bit set, 70 piece, coming in at $50. So more of a sale price than a clearance price on that one. They had the Ryobi 7.5 amp angle grinder, $70 for that. They also had the high performance starter kit for $159, and this is going to come with a few batteries. You get 2 4 amp hour batteries and then a 2 amp hour battery and the smaller charger. And up top here, they did have the 6.5 inch circular saw, tool only, $168. That is a fuel. Killer deal on that one. Now, I have seen that circular saw at other Home Depots in my area, clearanced out. Right here, they had it for $192. But I've only got one Home Depot in my area that's got as low as $168. So that is a killer deal on that fuel circular saw. They also had another Milwaukee deal. We've seen this one before. This is the 4-tool combo kit. Was $249 down to $199. Now, these aren't fuel tools, and you do get a light with this one. So you get the drill, the impact, you get the one-handed recip, the light, and then you're also going to get 2 batteries in the charger and bag with it. They also had a deal going on. Buy 2 of these tools, then you get the starter kit for free. And that is an 8 amp hour starter kit that you'll be receiving with that for free. And then over to the right here, they had some super savings. They got the 2-tool combo kit, 4-tool combo kit. You can pick up a battery. So a bunch of different options there. They also had a bunch of deals going on for the M18 nailers. Right in the middle there, they had a couple battery deals. And then over to the right, a few more special buys. The only fuel tool in this one, though, is the 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw kit up at the top. The rest is just brushless. Had a bunch of deals going on for DeWalt, so buy one of these tools and you get this battery for free. So you get the 5 amp hour battery pack and charger, $179 value if you buy one of these tools. And they had a pretty decent selection. They had some Atomic stuff, some Max XR tools. So decent selection from drills, cutout tools, sanders, multi-tools, and ratchets. They also had the right angle magnetic attachment for DeWalt, 1997. They had some counter sink sets, 3-piece, 1997, and then the 21-piece drill bit set, also 1997. They had the atomic hammer drill kit for 129, and then they had the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries coming in at 129. Also for DeWalt, they had the 2 amp battery maintainer and charger, $29.97 for this. So a few bucks off on that. And then for $100, they had the 1600 amp jump starter and USB power bank. This was $149. Also had the DeWalt 12-ounce hammer coming in at $14.88. And then they also had for $12.97 the push and flip folding knife by DeWalt, compact staple gun for $19.97, the torpedo level for $19.97, and the 25-foot tape measure for $24.97. For Flexvolt, they had the 9 amp hour battery, $179. They also had the 4.5-inch grinder, $199. Recip saw for $199, and then they had the circular saws. So there is the 7.25-inch circular saw for $200, and then the 7.25-inch worm drive circular saw for $249. They also dropped the price on some rigid stuff. So here's the 18-volt hybrid fan, $59 for that, was $79, and then they also have the 2 amp hour battery starter kit for $99. They also had the Ryobi. This is the One Plus, so not the HP, but for $300, the 6-tool combo kit. Pretty decent for some DIYing. They had the drill, impact, circular saw, recip saw, the multi-tool light. You get a couple batteries, so you get the 4 amp and the 1.5 amp. Not a bad deal for some people doing some DIY projects here and there. And then over here they had the HP 4 amp hour starter kit for $149. And then they had the 150 watt power source for $50. Now this is pretty nice. If you got some Ryobi batteries, you just plug a Ryobi battery right into this, and it converts it into an AC plug or USB. You can run a TV, a fan, laptop, some lights off of this, charge your cell phone. So great in an emergency situation. They also had the 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries for $99, One Plus drill driver kit for $79, and then they had the whole stud detector for $32 by Ryobi. Not sure how well this works. I've always had a tough time with stud finders. Some are definitely better than others. Then right next to that, they had the HP 2-tool combo kit. Comes with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, so you get the drill, the impact. $129, not a bad deal. And then they had the 2-tool combo kit with the circular saw and the drill. That is just the One Plus for $149. They also had the One Plus impact driver kit, only $100 for that. Now that's going to come with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. Same with the One Plus drill driver kit for $100. And then they got the combo kit, comes with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries for $139. They also had a 4-tool combo kit for $159, and this is going to have a 4 amp and a 1.5 amp hour battery with that one. Another rigid deal. If you buy this kit for $169, it's going to be a 4 amp hour max output starter kit. You get one of these items for free. And then for rigid, they also had some special buys right below that. A lot to choose from here. 2-tool combo kit. They had some batteries. Had the fan, once I showed you guys earlier, for $59. And then down at the bottom, the 10-inch portable table saw for $4.99. Guys looking for a rigid compressor, they got a deal going on for the 6-gallon pancake air compressor. 3 tools come along with that one for $269. Then they got the 6-gallon compressor by itself for $129, and then the 50-foot air hose coming in at $40. And there's a quick look of it on display. So with that one, you'll get the 18-gauge brad nailer, the 16-gauge straight finish nailer, and the 18-gauge finish stapler. All right, so another rigid deal here. This is kind of hard to get a good look at, but this was a 7.25-inch rear handle circular saw kit. It's kind of hard to get a view of the price here, but $175 was $349. So heck of a deal on that. And then they also had the Bluetooth speaker. $56 for that, was $79. Had some deals on rigid batteries. So for $91, you had the 3-pack, the 2 amp hour max output. These were $129. They also had a deal on Rigid. So buy one of these. So this is the 2.0 Pro Gear system. They have the 2-drawer and the 3-drawer toolbox. You get one of those for $1. You get the all-terrain rolling tool cart. Or you can pick up for $100 just a regular box with the roll cart. And then they also had the small parts organizer for $30. There's a closer look at the 2-drawer toolbox by Rigid. So pretty nice. And then there's the rolling cart down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Rigid system in the comment section below. Seems pretty affordable, good build quality. They also had some stuff going on for DeWalt, for the Tough system. Bunch of different options to choose from there. And they also had save more, buy more with that. So instantly save depending on how much you spend. And then right next to that, they had some deals going on for Milwaukee pack out system. Really like the pack out system. Great for those pros that use their tools on a regular basis, but definitely a little overkill for us DIYers. And if you're really on a budget but need a way to store your tools, they had some Husky stuff on sale. Definitely a lot less build quality when it comes to Husky, but that's where the affordability comes in. So great option just to be able to store your tools, maybe in your garage, something like that. Definitely wouldn't want to move them around too much because I definitely could see these getting damaged a lot easier than something like the Milwaukee, Rigid, or DeWalt. Found a couple more deals for DeWalt. Right here, they had the circular saw. So this is the 7¼ inch circular saw with Flexvolt Advantage. 174 was $269. And then right next to that, there was another deal. This one was for the angle grinder. So this is a 20 volt max, 174. This was $259. They also had the DeWalt miter saw for $549. This is the 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw, so $100 off on that one. They had some deals going on with some Husky tools. So for $20, they had the 16-piece wrench. This is the 2-pack, so you get your SAE and your metric. Comes with the rack, so you can keep them organized in the drawer of your toolbox. Not a bad pickup for $20. These were $32.97. They also had the Husky 60-piece universal mechanics set for $70. So this is going to have a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive. 100 position ratchet, it says. Says it fits 6 different fasteners, and this was $87. And then they had the 75-piece mechanic tool set. $48 for this one. This also had a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch, and this one was $70. They also had a couple nailers that marked down. So here's the Ryobi pin nailer, 23 gauge, was $169 down to $99. And then they also had over here the portal cable coil roof nailer. So this one was $219, head all the way down to $129. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this one. Quick walkthrough of Home Depot and the deals that they got going on right now. If you guys are looking for some deals at Lowe's, I'll post a video right here. And I just did a video on Harbor Freight's new parking lot sale that's coming up in August. If you guys haven't seen that yet and all the deals, I'll post that video here at the end also. Check those videos out if you're looking for the best deals at Lowe's or Harbor Freight. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.